In this SolidWorks tutorial today, we're going to go over split lines. So it's basically a line that you create from a sketch. This can be very useful around whole features where you want to, without creating a new feature, you want to split the surface or a face so you can select um, a circular, surface around a hole for fixing the bases in a simulation environment or applying forces to that particular circular surface. We'll see once we get later in the tutorial what I'm talking about, or even for local mesh control, you can apply it. So let's get started here. So we're first going to go to this sketch 7 here, which I have just a circle around this whole feature that I've created. And we're going to exit this sketch. So we need an existing sketch first. Now we're going to go to curves up here. We're going to select split line. In the settings, we're going to do type of split to projection. This is where we select that sketch. So if we go in our feature tree, we can select the sketch 7. And then it's going to ask us for a face to split. So let's say we want to split this surface here. We'll select that, single direction, and we'll select OK. And you can see it creates basically a feature without having to do an extrusion or extruded cut that splits that sketch onto this face so that I can now select the area. For example, if this was a simulated bolt or screw clamping down on the surface, I could apply a force or fixture here. So let's see how that works in the stress analysis. So now with this split surface, we can have a more detailed approach on applying fixtures or loads. Let's say we wanted to add a fixed geometry. We could select just this area around the hole, or if we wanted to apply an external load, we could select just this circular area around the hole instead of just this whole face. So very useful for that. Or you can see we applied a local mesh just to this circular area thanks to the split line during our mesh generation of the elements for our static analysis. By just the apply mesh control here, we can select just that face and give it more of a finer detail and mesh density on that. So that's how you can use split lines to get more detailed in your stress analyses and other things for simulating bolt, pressure and things of that nature. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I'll see you mechanical engineers on the next one.